What if your concept sketch could become a textured 3D scene in Blender? Without days of manual modeling, here's the Meshy workflow. We start with a hand-drawn sketch, fed into Meshy's image workspace. It generates a 3D concept render. This becomes our visual blueprint before any modeling begins. One thing we've noticed, the clearer your silhouettes, the better the output. Loose lines work, but defined shapes give Meshy more to go on.
Here's a useful technique. We crop individual objects from that render and feed each one back into Meshy. Focusing the AI on one asset at a time produces more consistent references for each prop. When you crop, go tight and cut out any busy background. It's a small step that makes a real difference. Those references go into Meshy's image to 3D. A few minutes later, we have 3D models with PBR textures. We repeat this for every key prop. Running a couple variations per asset is worth the extra minute. You'll usually find one that nails the concept better than the first try.
Everything exports into Blender with geometry and textures included, so cleanup is minimal. We lay out the props to match the original sketch, add volumetric lighting, and the concept becomes a complete 3D scene ready for rendering. What do you think of this workflow, and what would you want to see built next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.